Hello and welcome to Hondo Garage. In this video, we'll walk through how to install the Buzzkill damper using the included installation tool. Apply a small amount of blue thread locker to the two pre-installed screws. Align the Buzzkill with the back of the perfect squeeze and tighten the screws with a 3/32 Allen key. The Buzzkill supports mounting in landscape, portrait, or at a 45-degree angle. To change the orientation of the phone mount, start by removing the center number 2 Phillips head screw. Next, pull up on the lower plate to separate it from the assembly. Now set the plate on top of the damper in its new orientation. Landscape, 45 degrees, or portrait. Make sure the holes are aligned with the rubber nubs. Apply a small amount of soapy water to the plate. This reduces friction during installation. If pressing the plates together by hand is too difficult, the installation tool and center screw can be used to pull the two plates together and force the damper into position. Start by placing the installation tool onto the plate. Then insert the center screw through the hole in the installation tool. While applying slight pressure, turn the screw until it stops. The plates should be almost touching. Remove both the screw and the installation tool. Check that all damper nubs are fully seated in the holes. You can gently shift the plate to confirm proper alignment. Finally, apply blue thread locker to the center screw and reinstall until it stops and is snug. And that's it, the installation is complete.